My experience with Dr. Opperman, right off the bat, he was very, interested in learning about me, not only about my, health history, but also about, my habits, what I do for a living, stress levels, just all those different things that can play into healthcare and sort of my health in general, whether it's physical, mental, whatever it is. He wanted to know what that was, and he was very interested.
I had a recent appointment with Dr. Opperman where I had my blood work done and had a couple of things that I wanted to discuss with him, and I ended up being at the office for like an hour. It was great. I was able to talk to him just about anything, and it's just a good feeling when you can actually sit down face to face and not feel rushed. Because most of the time when you go to other doctors, you're so rushed and you don't get everything out, and you go home and think, oh, I forgot to talk about this.
He's, at times I've wondered if he was going to tell me, you're just bugging me too much, but he's never ever said that. And I can call him even on the weekends. Sometimes I've called him or texted him, and he's just very responsive. It's nice to have a physician that will do that for you. And
through our high deductible savings plan, we were basically paying for our health care through our deductible, and the approach of Dr. Opperman with paying him a monthly fee for access and the ability to talk to him at any time was very appealing when I calculated what the monthly fee was compared to what we were spending through our high deductible plan. Having
insurance and then paying the subscription cost to see Dr. Opperman and his team, it's well worth it. Just that level of care that's just way above and beyond anything from a healthcare perspective that we have ever experienced as a family. But also the fact that he's basically got the pharmacy in the office, that he does not mark up medications, that you can go in and do a comparison in terms of like what you would get through a pharmacy at CVS to what you would get at Dr. Opperman's, and it's completely different. The value in that alone pays for the subscription, well over just the value of being a true patient and someone that he really cares about.
I haven't paid any attention to all the freebies that I get, so to speak, that go with it, that I would have to pay as we go along, because for me it really wouldn't matter. To have somebody his caliber that, so to speak, at your beck and call, I mean, you could access them in a fairly quick manner. To me, that's worth everything.
Very easy to make appointments and communicating with the office. Michelle is on the job. She's wonderful. I can text her and say I need a prescription. She'll immediately fill it. I can go pick it up right away. I can text, I can email, I can call, and I get pretty immediate responses, and that's a really good feeling, because that does not happen in a regular doctor's office practice at all.
With Dr. Opperman, it really is just completely different than what a regular relationship would be. All the primary care physicians I've had before were good, but they're seeing you very quickly. You're in and out. You don't feel like you have the opportunity to ask all their questions, and then you'll leave and then you forget questions, so you want to go back and ask questions. And with Dr. Opperman, you have the ability to do that, because you can just text him a quick question and he'll give you a detailed answer for that.
If you are questioning the care that you're getting or the level of patient service that you get from your current healthcare providers, and you want to give simplicity a chance, I cannot recommend it enough.